Na mtoke katika masala ya riadha tuende katika masala ya voliboli ambapo meneja wa timu ya voliboli ya taifa ya kina dada Malkia Strikers John Oronje amesema licha ya kubanduliwa nje ya mashindano ya dunia katika makundi wamejifunza mengi kutoka katika mashindano hayo yanayoendelea nchini Thailand. Kenya ilitoa ushindi mmoja dhidi ya Vietnam na kulazwa mechi 2 za makundi.
We thank God in everything because a win here was vital, and even taking a point from Poland, that was very, very important. And it all goes down to hard work, resilient, and the players giving themselves to actually playing volleyball, as we may want it to call it. Basically, I would say that it is a young side, and if you look at the average age was about 23 years. That shows that indeed we have a future, because these are the people, the players who will play in the next 5 or so years. And having said that, it does not mean that we've left out the so-called old ones, but because they are actually not old. It is only, I would say, that the experienced one, because we will still want to involve them in the next assignment, in the consequent subsequent assignments.
Katika ligi kuu ya Uingereza, Chelsea itachuana na Fulham katika derby la